They're making a critic review about How to Train Your Dragon 2. I really should stop calling these critic reviews because I have no credits to be a critic. Just keep watching. I want to edit this out. It's just gonna go up. So I thought it was really good. Quite a twist from the last movie. It was very dramatic. I thought it was gonna have more comedy like the last movie, but it was less of a cartoon. Like it was growing up a bit. He grew up. The movie grew up. So if you're going in for a drama, my mom cried, but if you're going in for a drama, drama/cartoon, go to see How to Train Your Dragon 2, and I give it 5 out of 10. Because it was a little more drama-filled than I thought it was going to be. But other than that, I will see you either next week, tomorrow, today, tonight, the same thing. Goodbye.